I figured out why my mower deck is making a lot of noise when I turn on the blades. Check this out. So first I thought it was a blade because the blade was chipped. I think I know what the problem is, y'all. So if you have like loose pulleys or like spindles, all right, the bearings are all worn out or something's worn out, okay? So, but check this one out, all right? So I took the belt off, okay? You hear that? Okay. I don't think that's causing the main issue. Check this out. So here's a middle spindle. Doesn't it sound that bad? Can you hear that? Can't really hear that, right? But look at this. Can you hear this? All right. That sounds bad, okay? But check this out, y'all. All right, ready for this? Here's the left spindle. So I think we figured out what the problem was, y'all. That sounds bad. Hey, y'all, so bottom line, y'all, long story short, I hit something on one of my customers' yards. I was mulching leaves. I didn't walk it because I already knew the property. I already knew where all the roots were, but there was like a big fat rock underneath all the leaves and I hit it real hard. That chipped the blade. I thought it was a blade. Did more investigation and it was the pulley. There was that spindle, y'all, all right? Hey, listen, you have to be careful what you're mowing, okay? Because even though this is like a commercial grade mower, the more you hit stuff that's real hard, it's wearing out. Not only will it may bend a blade or chip a blade, but it's gonna wear out those spindles, all right? You know what I mean? Even though those are heavy duty spindles and then residential spindles, it's gonna wear them out. So I hit it real hard, y'all, and I guess, I mean, you saw how it sounds now, okay? So that's why be careful what you mow, okay? Walk the ground no matter what. I got complacent, you know, in the Marine Corps, in the military, they say complacency kills. You always gotta be on guard, all right? Don't get complacent, don't get relaxed, okay? Like out there in combat, you know what I mean? Or when you're in the fob, don't get relaxed, y'all. But hey, same thing out here in the civilian life, okay? Don't get relaxed, don't get complacent, all right? Be on guard, because you never know what's out there, okay? You never know what's out there, all right? You never know what's gonna be underneath those leaves. You never know what's gonna be on that yard, okay? Somebody may have threw a brick in the yard, a metal pipe. One time I ran over a ratchet, okay? Like, why is he gonna leave a ratchet out there? One of my customers, okay? And that been a blade. You know what I mean? So you just always got to walk the yard, Joe, okay? Because your customer, man, no matter how faithful they are in paying you, you may have them for 2 years. They may leave something out in the yard and they may not tell you, you know what I mean? Because they probably forgot. They may leave their dog leash out there in the yard with a little spike in the, you know what I mean, in the ground. You just got to be careful, y'all, okay? So I called the dealer up. They're going to, they say they got 2 spindles on order. I'm going to replace 2 of those spindles. What do you call it? So, hey, maintenance is expensive, okay? It's even more expensive when you have a dealer or a small engine mechanic do it for you, okay? So do it yourself, y'all. You just take the bolts out, take the old one off, put the new one on, put the bolts back on and tighten it up, all right? That's how easy it is. But hey, thanks for watching. Hey, always walk the yard, y'all. Don't get complacent. Hey, thanks for watching. Hey, I got my, so I'm gonna be, hey, remember, 1 is none, 2 is 1. I got the 42-inch on here, okay? So I'm gonna be rocking the 42-inch for like 3 days until I get the spindle, so I'm going to use the 52-inch. All right, it's only a 10-inch difference, all right, in the mow, okay? But hey, 1 is none, 2 is 1. Remember that, all right? Hey, God bless. See you on the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.